Guys, it's me Jack again with another video for you guys, and today we are reacting to another episode of Woody Woodpecker. Not the old one, the other one, I think it was, I don't know, 2002, I don't know, but we're watching Woody Woodpecker show episode, Automatic Woody. I'm gonna see this motherfucker be be like this. So, before we start off with this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn notifications on so don't miss out on the new video that will come out next week or the after or like that. And guys, if you're wondering on my t-shirt, look, that's last night I dropped some fucking water on it. It was water. Oh no, when I was eating a crumpet, butter fell on it. I know. I might change, I don't know, I might have to change the t-shirt in another one. I might change it, but I mean, if you're bothered about that, guys, let me know. I'll change my t-shirt. I might change it tomorrow. I don't know. Just see what happens. But we're gonna watch the video now in 3, 2, 1, and go. My camera just flashed there for me. Automatic Woody Woodpecker in Automatic.
Are you hungry for a real Highland treat out
Sorry,
there in
I
TV
think my
land?
camera just flashed.
Well, just point the remote at yourself, Woody, and follow me into Butterscotchy land.
Butterscotchy land.
Butterscotchy finger pies are gooey and they're yummy. When you want a tasty treat, just some in your
There we go, what the hell. Sorry guys, I had to turn my brightness up on it, I couldn't see it right. I burn my brightness down at night time so because it hurts your eyes, you can't sleep there. Oh my god, this music again.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Now where are my butterscotchy finger pies?
Oh my god.
Last Monday night's munchies.
Touch that plug in place.
Tuesday night's temptation.
And
Wednesday
sorry guys if
night.
it's late, it is dark. I started this video late, sorry.
It's Thursday night and I'm all out of butterscotchy finger pies. What'll I do?
Cash and dash. Also guys, I've turned the light on as well because it's dark.
Come to Woody.
But I still in the fire.
Welcome to Cash and Dash.
He is Nash.
He is Lash. And that's no trash.
Is that SpongeBob and Squidward? I think I recognise them voices, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, they might be saying.
Bring me
Oh my
up.
god, that's fucking.
Heck, that don't rhyme.
It sounds like Squidward. Oh my god, that's sick. Oh my god.
I forgot my money.
What?
This is Nash and Lash's Cash and Dash.
How can you forget your money?
Not BB's freebies.
Not Barry and Larry's Take Whatever You Can Carry.
Not everything you see here is yours just because you wanted it. To heck with anybody else.
Wait, bloody hell.
Lash,
Yeah, Nash.
Flash.
that didn't rhyme. Coffee's backing up.
I think you've had enough fucking coffee as it is.
Hallelujah. Ha-cha-cha. I can practically taste those butterscotchy finger pies already.
That wasn't a credit card, guys, that was $1.
Hello, Woody.
He just
The
put $1
sweet
in that.
sound of my money.
What is your PIN number?
Wait, fucking hell.
Oh, keep it up and you're gonna get the old 1, 2, 3.
The hell's
1,
that?
2, 3 is incorrect.
Wait, that's not my number.
Your
Fucking
card
bins,
is
man.
being
I can hear it on
voided.
my headphone. Oh my god, I hurt it on the other side.
Ah! All my money is in this bank, and I want some of it now.
I'm afraid I can't.
Oh, the machine's
do
gonna give
that,
you money if
Woody.
your credit card's done. Wait a minute. Fucking minute. Oh my god. Right, the machine's gonna give you freaking money. Oh my god, that is weird, man. Oh my god. He just shoved the little pieces in the freaking machine. Did you see him do that? Oh my god. Who does that when your credit card's eaten? It shouldn't give the fucking card back. Like in these, it shouldn't give you like that. It gave him like these slice bits. It's like that. It was like slice bits. And I'm like, what? Who? Right, machine's gonna give you that if you're gonna shove these bits like doing like one. Oh, my money's in this bank. Like that, and I want some of it now. You ain't gonna get money if you put some shoved little bits in there like this. Like machine's gonna give you that. Like machine's like, I ain't giving you money because your money ain't worth it if you're thinking shoving little slide bits in my mouth. Like it's gonna give you money like that. Seriously, like what the heck? Oh my god. Oh! Oh, hell yeah, rain money, boy. Come on.
Butterscotchy finger pies, here I come.
Oh, what?
Ow! Closed. Somebody's gotta be open.
Fucking closed. What time they close at?
Closed. All closed.
Man, come on, man. The
Where
hell?
will I find a butterscotchy finger
Get
pie?
me one. Oh, hell. Oh my god, it said pie on there.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know why I don't know why I was surprised it said pie on there.
Whoa.
I've had my dinner anyway, so I'm not hungry. That makes me hungry, because I ain't hungry, but I like it.
Stay in there.
Okay, now no one's gonna get
Gotta make
fucking.
my
Now no one can
selection.
get their money in there now. That machine's probably faulty. Like, it's out of order.
Hey, give me a butterscotchy finger pie, you no good pile of junk.
Put it out of order. Oh, what in the hell?
I said I want a butterscotchy finger
Oh,
pie.
Oh,
All right, just give me what you got.
took off. How in the hell did that take it all back?
No. Oh, please, please, please. Oh, why me? Why me? Why? Be right back.
Oh my god. Oh, who the hell? Oh no, it's Wally Walrus.
Butterscotchy
Oh,
finger
no.
pie.
Oh no. It's this guy again, Walrus. Look at that bloody bulldoze the fucking vending machine.
That's my pie.
This is my pie.
Oh my god, wait a minute, guys. He was going to bulldoze the freaking vending machine. What the fuck? Oh my god, and they've even knocked over the fucking vending machines now. Like, what the hell? They're fighting over a fucking finger pie, really. Who fights over a bloody candy bar? I mean, like, man and man fight together. Oh my god.
Wally, I
Man,
gotta
fight
have this
together.
butterscotchy finger pie. I'll give you $5, $10, $20 for it. But this one is mine. Got it?
You don't have to shove money in his mouth.
Yeah, okie dokie, sure. Crazy
Oh
woodpecker.
my god.
Butterscotchy finger pie, here I come.
Oh.
I need a drink.
Oh. You lifted up 3 vending machines? Who? How the hell is that possible? Oh my god. What the? Oh, that was sick. Don't shoot more at me, please. Don't bloody shoot more vending machine bottles at me. Oh! Please!
Wait a minute.
Oh my god.
I got enough midnight snacks to last all month. Keep us coming, fellas.
Oh my god. How the hell? Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Right. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Oh my god. Did you see how he lifted up 3 vending machines all the time? Like the whole thing. Like, oh my god. He lifted up 3 vending machines. I've paused it. Yeah, it's right. He lifted up 3 vending machines. Oh my god, you'd break your back. Don't, if you ever pick up a vending machine, those things are so fucking heavy, you couldn't. Oh I wouldn't expect. Sorry about that. Pardon me. But I don't think no one could ever pick up a vending machine. Like, oh my god, I seriously need to get a haircut because this didn't. Sorry, guys. But what happens is he would actually like die because that vending machine would fall back on him. The vending machine would fall back on him, like, oh my god, like, Jesus. Whatever you do, guys, don't ever pick up a vending machine, because I wouldn't eat. But if you want to get your candy out, I would advise you that you could just punch it. I'd advise you not to, like, punch it like that, because in case cops come around. But if you want to punch it, I'm not telling you what to do. But I'm just telling you, you could, like, advise you not to do that, because if you smash the glass, you fucking break your fingers, I swear. Oh my god. And Ryan, also, I am going to do that Darko reaction as well. You wanted me to actually react to the, level 3. I might do that in the next video, which might be tomorrow. I might do that in tomorrow's video, or maybe not. I might let it, because normally I don't do it in like 2 days, and then I do another video in next 2 days. And then the next 2 days I'll do another one like that. I might be doing random uploads. Depends how many times I'm access to someone's Wi-Fi. Because we haven't got Wi-Fi yet. We still haven't got Wi-Fi. But when we do get Wi-Fi, we can react to more stuff. We won't have to download them. Because I think that takes storage out of my fucking iPad. Not out of this, but takes storage out of my iPad. So, yeah. But I mean, guys, I'm going to end the video now. I don't want to waste you guys' time, but I mean, I hope you enjoyed it. And before I end the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friends and family or whoever else you have in your lifetime. Don't forget to share them today, and don't forget to tell them to subscribe. Don't forget to tell them to subscribe to my pal Jack McGrath. He's funny. He does funny reactions and all that. He does best ones. Make sure you do tell them that to subscribe to me. And guys, I'll end the video now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.